Driven by the storm into a blizzard sweep. Cold crystal flakes, a wandering water. There on the sky in bitter choir, and fell like sheaves into the world's dark border. The wind drove them to forests in the night. Snowflies fluttered, flocking like wild birds in flight. The hare could never outrun their drifting roar. They smothered his small burrow, howling at the door. The frost held fast within the veins, forbidding change. No hands can clasp in cold so harsh and strange. No snowman will the boy today create. Only a snowball burning in his hands of late. And once again the wind, again the blizzards called in fields and woods, by ponds, through ravines tall. On a watery river mirrors, peace is gone. Frost and wind, two sisters, seal the tune they've drawn. But that's fierce fury will not reign, for enough for sun to warm and gently stay to soften all the shards within our hearts. Then snowflakes clasp and melt to dew.